You wanna fight? I'm gonna punch your face down, baby! Hi y'all, it's me, Miss Gawdland, the winner from RuPaul's Drag Race UK vs. the World.
Gawdland.
And now I'm here at Lotte Clinic because I have skin problem. I am a superstar, but my skin has a problem, so I have to fix that. And that's definitely my acne scar that you've been seeing on the BBC, and I don't like it. I want to get rid of it. And now I'm here at Lotte Clinic. I'm so excited. I've been done substitution before, but it didn't help, so I'm gonna try it here. Let's see what's happened.
We have done with the 3D scanner already, right? So you can see that you have the acne scar right on your temporal area. You can see you have with both, we call it rolling acne scar and the Boxcar scar. And also, as you can see on your cheek, you also have this acne scar, we call it the rolling scar. But you also have quite a little wide pore. I have to tell you first that the Juvgen 3D will not help with this area, but I will try to get off the big acne scar right here. And we can see
the camera is so clear, like insane, very zoom, okay?
Yeah, this is why we have to do the 3D scan, right? Because if we see with the bare eye, we cannot see all the details of your acne scar, but with the scanner, you can see all of it, right? Left side of your face, you can see the acne scar here too. We have the rolling scar over here and some of the Boxcar scar too. Which Boxcar, it might help about 70 to 80%, but the rolling scar, we can expect to 90 to 95% of the result.
Okay, that's a lot.
So how about let's go to
Let's go!
Okay, let's go.
My face is so numb right now. I feel like I don't feel anything.
That's good. How do you feel after the Juvgen 3D injection?
To be honest, a little bit pain because it's all over the face. So the pain is like, you know, it's keep becoming more and more.
Nice.
And for me, it's okay, not that much.
And, at that time, when you do the substitution, you have to rest for like a week, right?
Yes, a week, 2 weeks, like a lot. I cannot work at all. I have to like rest.
It might be a little bit swollen right now, but I think I expect a good result from treatment that we have done. As you can see that all the acne scar, I think that I almost all completed, and I think that the result will be quite satisfied.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Yeah,
but we have to wait 1 month for the full results.
Right, yeah, because the swollen right now, it comes from the bleeding and it might be a little bit inflammation inside, so it will subside within like 2 or 3 days, and the redness will be go away like in a week. So I think that you will be, feel smooth and everything right now within a week.
But I can start doing my makeup tomorrow. 24 hours. It's just like 24-hour rest.
Yeah, just wait to the pore of the needle just close. Yeah, and then you can put all the makeup up.
I get it.
It will be all fine.
So
good, right? Here you can see that you have like the depressed mark over here.
Oh yeah.
So I fixed it already. Okay, so I will make an appointment again within a month, and then we will see the result, how things go for you, and how things improve for you. Okay.
Yes.
See you later. Bye bye. You're welcome, ครับ